Hey guys, it's Ray here with you today, and we are creating this right here, glowy, shimmery, magical fantasy fairy look. If you're interested, let's rock. So guys, it's another fantasy from Ray. If you will ask me who out of the creatures I would definitely tell you that it's gonna be a fairy. I'm amazed by this fantasy creatures. I want to create something like that to my look today. So let's zoom in. So first of all, I want to put borders to my makeup. Okay, the borders are done. So let's prime my eyelids. I will prime with Smashbox 24-hour photo finish primer. So first we'll cover the entire lid with MAC Shroom. I will use my MAC 224 blending brush. Just get plenty and cover it all. It's fully coated now. We're gonna do under the brow bone and the inner corner of the eye, Crystal Avalanche by MAC. So, and to do all this beauty here, I've used my MAC 213 brush. However, it's not done yet. Let's blend it a bit. MAC 224 brush. For pop of a color, we'll go for Urban Decay Electric Palette. And for the transition shade, I'm choosing Savage. To apply this one, I'm using my It Cosmetics airbrush number 105. Next shade is Urban, same brush. And the last but not least in this blending game is shade Chaos. So now we're adding some fairy dust to make it more shimmery, to make it more dreamy, if you will. For that, we're gonna use a new product from Stilo. It's not a new product, it's a new version of a product. They launched the colors for the spring 2018. It is Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadows. So, and the color I'm gonna use is Cloud. This shade is beautiful, it's just amazing. It is purple and pink undertones with gold shimmers, and it will give us the magic in our look. I'm gonna apply it with my finger, I think it works the best. So we're done with the borders, time to take it off. Perfect line is here, so we will wipe off the excess and do the foundation. So first, before the foundation, I want to do my lower lash line. I will use the same palette, the last shade I've been using, Chaos, the blue one. And to apply the color, I will use the brush that was in a set, the precise part of it. Let's do the foundation, but first I will use my MAC Fix Plus to prime my face. Ooh, I love this moment. Have you seen a fairy without perfect skin or without a healthy, beautiful, magical glow? I haven't either. So let's create that on my face. To do that, and it's a new product. I'm testing it today. I'm using Born to Glow by NYX, the liquid illuminator. I'm mixing it with Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. My shade is Fair. Mixing it on the back of my hand. And I'm using my MAC 190 brush. Our magic mix is on the face. All face is coated and it looks magical. Can you see that healthy glow? To contour, I will use my Sonia Kashuk Large Powder Brush number 100. And of course, it can't live without my Sculpted Face It Cosmetics palette. Now let's contour the nose, and for that purpose I'm gonna get my MAC 224 blending brush. So let's do the brows now. For brows, I will use my all-time fave Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in shade medium brown. Fascinating Eye Call from MAC. Straight to the waterline. I'm using Tattoo Liner from Kate Von D. So not much, just a guideline for our lashes. For mascara, I'm using Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. It's a really nice black mascara. The wand is huge. So little do we know that the first mascara was invented in the 19th century by Eugen Rimmel in the middle of a century. And still, till this day, word Rimmel means mascara in a few languages. However, in 1913, Terry Williams, the chemist, created mascara very close to what we think right now is mascara. It was a mix of charcoal and jelly, the Vaseline we'll know right now. It was created for his sister Maybe. She loved it so much that they decided to produce it. So he combined the name of his sister Maybe and the ending of Vaseline. The Maybelline company was born. First, they've been selling the mascara by mail. It became really popular among the actresses. The commons who've been watching and admiring the beautiful actresses of the 19th century, they decided it's something they need, that was a must, and that's how it came all the way to us, to our days. So I will apply falsies quickly off camera and we will get back to the fairy makeup. So here are the lashes. To highlight all this fairy beauty, I am using Love You So Mochi by NYX, the highlight palette. To match the look, I will use the pink tone in the middle. Today I'm gonna highlight heavily, so I need a big brush for that. I am using MAC 136 brush. Over the eyes, down the nose, Cupid's bow. And to top all that, we will go for the magic lip colors. I'm gonna use two shades, we will blend them. So it is NYX Cosmic Metals, shade 05 and 02. So on the outer side of the lips, I will apply the purple one. Inside, we will fill in with the pink one. To finalize the look, we'll use the same thing we used at the beginning to prep the face. It is Prep and Prime by MAC Fix Plus. So let's mix. So, and here we are. So guys, thank you so much for staying till the end of my another fantasy here. As usual, down below in the comments, let me know how did you like it. Maybe you will have some other requests or the inspirational ideas for me. I love you all. Put the thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in my next one. Mwah.